Inside the Nasser Hospital in Khan Younis after a targeted Israeli airstrike. Footage shows the extent of the damage as people search through rubble of the collapsed ceiling. A senior Hamas figure, Ismail Baroum, was reportedly killed in the medical facility. He was receiving treatment at the hospital after being wounded in an earlier strike. Several others, including patients and staff, were also killed in the strike. Israel says precise munitions have been used to mitigate harm. At least 30 people were killed in separate attacks yesterday, including another key Hamas political figure. Israeli airstrikes were also reported in Lebanon over the weekend in retaliation for rockets targeting Israel, the heaviest exchange of fire since the ceasefire with the militant group Hezbollah. The intense strikes come almost a week after a ceasefire between Israel and Hamas ended, with hundreds of people killed in strikes since. Israel is blaming Hamas for rejecting the US proposal to extend the truce, while Hamas in turn accuses Israel of abandoning the original deal. Meanwhile, the humanitarian situation in Gaza is also deteriorating rapidly. Medics and aid workers are raising concern of malnutrition as a total Israeli blockade of all supplies enters its fourth week. Egyptian officials are now proposing a new plan, suggesting Hamas release 5 hostages in exchange for Israel allowing humanitarian aid into the besieged region, along with a pause in fighting. Aisling Roach, Virgin Media News.